Escape to 50 acres in Virginia, featuring panoramic mountain views, Hat Creek flowing through the land, private trails, pasture, woodland, and a newly built barn with paddock. This property offers space, water, and outdoor functionality in a private setting. adding a natural water feature that moves across the acreage and enhances the layout of the property. The creek creates a central outdoor element and connects the open and wooded sections of the land. The 50 acres include a balanced mix of pasture and mature woodland. Open areas provide usable ground for livestock, recreation, or future improvements, while the wooded sections add privacy and natural separation across the property. A private trail system is already in place and winds through different parts of the acreage. These trails provide access for horseback riding, hiking, ATV use, or exploring the wooded portions of the land. For equestrian or agricultural use, the property includes a newly constructed barn and paddock. Commercial electricity is available, and a whole house generator adds additional utility support for the property. There is also a designated home site area suitable for an additional cabin, guest structure, or future expansion. This provides flexibility for the next owner to add another residence or recreational structure within the acreage. This Virginia property combines mountain views, flowing creek frontage, trails, pasture, woodland, and existing improvements into one private 50-acre tract. It offers a strong mix of natural features and usable land with room for future plans.